I am here at the American Pie Council's National Pie Championships, and I'm catching up with Jessica Tolar, bakery merchant at Walmart. Hi, Jessica. Thanks for catching up with me.
I'm so excited to be here.
This is a really awesome event, and it's so cool to talk about all things pie. And you gave an incredible presentation on Walmart's perspective of what's happening in the pie category. And one thing that I was really interested in that I wanted to ask you about was some of those shopper trends. You mentioned a couple of things like shopper expectations versus cost management, and then also things like helping shoppers party plan and specifically looking outside of the typical pie holidays. So what are you seeing and what are some of the solutions?
Yeah, so a few things that the customer is making a decision on is they're paying more because of inflation, but they expect more. So if I paid $1 more for this product, they expect it to taste better or to be better. So I think that's a very interesting trend. And then customers are making decisions. They're still willing to pay for something that they think is good quality.
Right.
So they're not necessarily exiting a business because of price point. They are just expecting better quality for their price point.
Yes.
So I think that's an important thing for us to keep in mind as we are looking into our business. As far as party planning, I think it's so important. We are launching a recipes page on our website. So my R&D chef, Katie Miles, her and I worked a couple years ago where we took our pies and kind of zhushed them up a little bit. So like our Patti LaBelle buttermilk pie, she creme bruleed it. So then it became a creme brulee pie. We added, cream cheese to our pumpkin pie, and we added a peanut butter sauce to one of our chocolate pies. So really, like, how do you take a pie that you buy at a grocery store and then just make it even special and make it fun for your adventures?
Right, and I think that that's really important, especially when you're looking at cost effectiveness of innovation, taking those core items like pumpkin pie and zhuzhing them up a little bit. I love that. So Jessica, thanks so much for joining me. Thanks for being here at the National Pie Championships. It was great catching up with you.
Thank you.